Once upon a time, a beautiful planet was created. People were living in harmony with nature. The air was clean, the rivers were pure, and the forests were full of life. But suddenly, a huge change came around. Comparing the earth of 90s and the earth of 20s, there is a huge difference. I'll not be able to explain it very well, so let me introduce you to the earth of 90s and the earth of 20s. Who is this woman coughing round here?
Oh, hello. I'm the Earth of 20s, the smartest.
You call it smartness? Covered with pollution, smoke and harmful gases. Look at me. I'm so clean with pure atmosphere and happiness around.
Emotional damage.
You won't believe me. Let me show you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I hope the forest land is clear for the big contract that we got yesterday.
Yeah, ma'am, it's done.
Oh, wow. The work has been done faster than my expectations.
Of course, it has to be done, ma'am. Your order is my command.
So let's go and visit the site.
Ma'am, you know how much hard work I have put into this project? I'll get my bonus, right? While visiting the site, the boss was really happy about the contract, but she didn't knew about the consequences.
Can you see the development in me? I'm so progressive.
Do you think it is progressive? It's just destructive. So you showed me the present. Now let me show you your future. I'm not able to breathe, Mama. I don't feel like alive.
Don't say like this, my child. I myself being a helpless. The past generation has never thought about the future.
Try not to be oversmart, because if the smartness flows out, there could be a problem.
I am so dumb calling myself the smartest.
No, you're not dumb. The people who are doing this are the ones who are dumb. We just have the problem, but we need a solution also.